Fair warning to my backyard mosquitoes, your days are numbered. I just received my new Vereezer bat box from Amazon, and I can't wait for its new occupants to move in. They say bats can eat 1,000 mosquitoes per hour, and honestly, I don't think that's a real number, no matter how many times it's quoted. But I don't care. Even if each bat eats only one per week, that's progress, and I'm all for it. I think this bat box looks amazing. And yeah, there are other very functional and economical bat boxes you can buy, but ask yourself, do you think they look this amazing? Obviously not. But looking good isn't the only reason I chose this one. It's compact, but it has a large capacity with 3 chambers holding up to 100 bats. Each chamber has grooves all the way up so that the bats can securely hang inside. The cool windows don't just look cool, they actually have real ventilation slots incorporated into the design. Now let's take a look at the back. You can hang it like a picture frame from the top and secure at the bottom using this hole. Remember that bat boxes work best when placed 15 feet or higher on the side of a building, just under the eaves and with no obstructions below. Of course, that's not always possible, but that's what's ideal. They need and use that height to drop and gain enough speed to launch and then glide away from their little house. Of course, a lot of us will end up hanging them from trees, but mounted to a building is better for their thermal regulation and for safety from owls and other predators that hunt them from nearby trees. If you do put it on a tree, try to place it at least that 15 feet high that we talked about, and also where there aren't branches below the box to obstruct their initial glide. A tall pole is also an option, but whatever you decide, just know that there's lots of good info out there if you're interested in learning more. You also have a few color choices, but this isn't about design. It's all about thermal regulation. You want lighter colors in hot areas like Arizona and darker colors in colder northern regions. If you search bat box color, you can get maps and info that helps you decide what'll work best in your area. Unfortunately, I can't show you my bats yet because I'll be installing it for the first time today, but I'm hoping to have bat family pics to share soon. I hope this short video has helped you decide whether to purchase this Vereezer wooden bat box, and thanks for watching.